My name is Drew Quinn. I'm the Vice President of Thompson & Little. We're a third-generation business, started in 1945. We have numerous facets to our company. We have a contract division, a sales department, fabrication division, as well as a service department. Well, it's about 2011-2012 range. My father had worked in the industry over 35 years. He was getting out. He did an excellent job with the company, but one thing he did not do was bring in the latest technology. So I realized that was a major pain point in our company. And that's when I started doing a lot of due diligence on software programs. You know, we had a great team, but we were a small company, a very regional player. And I realized as I saw the market changing that we needed to get bigger, we needed to do more volume. At the same time, I also realized we needed to control those potential pain points as we grew. So we developed different divisions of our company, whereas before we were strictly doing contracts, we got into other areas such as sales, design, service, and really tried to cover the customer base we had regionally, but also expand nationally. The first key element to growing is hiring good staff, good salespeople, people that understand our customers and know how to provide solutions. Secondly is the numbers. You need to have good data. You need to know your margins, your pain points, where you're losing money, and as well as customers that are providing value to the sale. So that's where TRX, the software, really comes into play for us, is being able to on the spot print out spreadsheets and information that helps us identify good accounts where we're potentially losing money and where we need to grow. The TRX software it's easy to use, and it allows us to bring in new employees, train quickly on the TRX software, and get them moving and get them in growth mode. When our sales team and internal staff calls SunsoftERP, we know that we're getting somebody on the other line that has been in the industry and understands our pain points and what our customer is asking us to provide to them. The TRX software has allowed Thompson Little to grow, and for any dealership that's looking to grow and make an impact in our industry, I highly recommend that you check out the TRX software. It's industry-based, it aligns with auto quotes, and I think it allows you the best opportunity to grow within the industry.